Hello, friends. I'm here for a very pleasant duty to introduce the Success Sandbox. Now, we'll talk about this is the Success Sandbox. What is in the Success Sandbox? For whom is the Success Sandbox created? And how will the Success Sandbox change things? The Success Sandbox is a choppy sea. The pandemic situation in which we now exist, but we already have conditions which enable us to create future that is in the far horizon and which helps us to live peacefully in this chaotic time. Success Sandbox is the house of creative freedom, where we are able to create wonderful products and services that traverse the choppy seas and make everybody comfortable. Come play with us and create unique to the world startups. This is the Success Sandbox. It contains anything and everything about the startup ecosystem, about everybody who works with startups, including angel investors, then the startup founders and co-founders and advisors who are helping the startups to grow and become successful. For whom is the Success Sandbox? The sandbox is for all budding entrepreneurs, first of all. This very young kid being shown how to climb a steep wall, a dangerous area. He's not afraid because he knows his startup advisor, his father perhaps, is there to help him up the ladder. Then the sandbox is for people working within startups. It is for the startup team consisting of co-founders and their strategic people who are helping build the startup, as you see on the left. How will the sandbox change the world? The post-COVID-19 situation is different. It is creating an environment which is unprecedented. And it gives us huge opportunities. Firstly, COVID-19, when announced in January 2020, immediately created stringent control measures, lockdowns, and staying at home and not going to work. These stringent measures created the new normal, how to deal with these control measures. This is the new normal. And the new normal led to rapid digitization of industries and services. So this rapid digitization and development in artificial intelligence happened just within 6 months, from January 2020 to end June 2020. We had as much progress in digitization and artificial intelligence as was expected to normally have occurred by 2025. Now, this development helped create Lean 4.0 smart factories, which produced autonomous products and autonomous services. And these are the rapid changes that happened. And this created highly discerning customers who wanted the best and who wanted to be served differently, whether it was in terms of the products that they purchased or the services they used. For us, this is an opportunity to create 100% successful startups. This happens because we offer new soft and technical transfer skills training and build competencies and help you to create what we call hybrid startups, which within 2 years of going to market start to grow rapidly and achieve a stage of accelerated exponential growth. So Success Sandbox has its own valid solution, as I just talked, for creating high growth, 100% successful startups. And these are the creation of hybrid startups. Now, how do you create a hybrid startup? You do this in 3 stages. First, you have the normal startup advisory, as shown here, formation, validation, growth, and we combine this with our own proprietary business excellence model for startups, which helps create an exceptional company, great company within the startup itself, even while it is in its infancy. The place to create a great company is right from the beginning, and that's what we are going to do here in the Success Sandbox. Then, because the world is changing so fast and we need new skills to survive and grow and deal with the world, we do mentoring. In mentoring, we teach. We teach attributes, soft skills, and technical skills required for Industry 4 businesses. Then we do advanced advisory, which means creating a strategic hierarchy plan and building in security, resilience, health, and safety. This is how hybrid startups are created, and you will learn all about this in the very large number of 20-minute capsule videos that we will be hosting on our Startup Sandbox website and on the Startup Sandbox YouTube channel. So Startup Sandbox is a step-by-step approach to creating the future. And we want you to get to the future through our 20-minute capsule videos on our YouTube channel, as well as by going and seeing whatever we have got on a learning11x.in website for startups. Now, please see the upcoming Startup Sandbox webinars, which are scheduled at learning11x.in. Thank you very much. See you soon.